Have you ever wondered, why is it that we have some tax firms that are extremely successful, and then we have others that are barely making it? Ever wonder why? Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys or talk to you guys about 4 services that all tax professionals should consider offering to their existing tax firm. Hi, I'm Dr. Cozette M, America's #1 tax and accounting strategist. I help tax pros grow highly profitable firms using social media as a way to gain organic clients. Now, maybe you're saying to yourself, I'm shy, I'm bashful, I don't like getting out there on social media. Or maybe you're that individual that says, listen, I am not about to let everybody on social media know all of my business. Well, guess what? I used to think like that too. I remember back in 2009, when I first got on Facebook, I would get on, get off, get on, and get off. And then my girlfriend was like, you need to utilize this platform as a way to gain new clients, to let people know all about who you are. And so back in 2009, I jumped back on and I stayed on, and here we are years later. So how can you grow your firm? How can you scale? How can you leverage? If you're not adding these 4 services that I'm going to talk about, you are definitely leaving money on the table. You see, when we think about taxes, most individuals wrap their brains around just 4 months, January through April. But guys, having a tax and accounting firm is so much more than that. Yes, we get busy at the end of the year when folks go and do their extensions. But if you are looking to create monthly recurring revenue, then it is imperative that you add these additional services. So let's talk about them. Bookkeeping. Bookkeeping can bring you an additional $25,000 to 6 figures or even 7 figures if you maximize the business correctly or the service correctly. I am certain that each and every one of you that are tax professionals, you've done some type of business return in the past, a sole proprietor, a limited liability corporation. Those are businesses. Why not let them know that you offer bookkeeping services? Bookkeeping is simply understanding the financial statements, understanding the balance sheet, the assets, liability, owner's equity, understanding the cash flow statement, understanding the profit and loss statement. What makes up a profit and loss statement, and how does it flow into your statement of cash flow, and how does the balance sheet impact the organization? How can you look at the balance sheet and look at the working capital? Listen, y'all, I'm telling you, there's courses that you can take to become educated in furthering and growing your business. Okay? Tax planning. If you know the profit and loss statement, if you understand it, if you understand the balance sheet, you should be able to help your clients with some tax planning. Tax planning is not just for businesses. It's also for our consumer who does their individual return, okay? You also want to consider tax resolution. Listen, you guys, your clients owe, right? Why not help those that are in need of reducing their taxable liability with the Internal Revenue Service by offering tax resolution? We're in 2021. A lot of people applied for PPPs, the EIDLs, the grants, and some of them didn't provide accurate information to the Internal Revenue Service on their tax return. So they're not going to get off scot-free. You guys know that. At some point, the Internal Revenue Service is going to audit them, and they're going to owe this money. Thus, voila, tax resolution. That's where you all can come in to help your clients. But those that are tax resolution specialists, they're either a CPA or they're an enrolled agent. Now, please don't get me wrong. I am not saying that every person that offers tax resolution fits into one of those buckets, because I myself have presented numerous, and I do mean numerous OICs before the Internal Revenue Service, and they have been approved. But what I am saying, Maybe you want to take some time to become an enrolled agent. Okay, give it some thought, you all. And last but not least, what I love are the CFO services, Chief Financial Office Services. Why not present a proposal to other CEOs who need your assistance, who need your help, and maybe they can't afford to bring in a full-time CEO or CFO into their organization to help manage their financial affairs, but they can help you. And when they bring on you, they're not just bringing on you, who's an expert, they're bringing on your team, okay? So that is a great way to get in the door. That is your opportunity to shine, and that is your opportunity to grow, leverage, and scale. So I've given you guys 4 simple tips, and I do say simple tips where you can grow, leverage, and scale your organization. Offering additional services, you all. That's just one way, all right? We're talking about the bookkeeping. We're talking about tax planning, tax resolution, and CFO services, all right? If you are interested in developing your knowledge, growing your business, growing your skill set, I highly encourage you to just read through the thread. I'm going to leave a couple of threads down below that will tell you how you can register for some of the courses that I offer that can help you enhance the business that you are growing. All right. Don't leave money on the table, you guys. Do not leave money on the table. All right, tax pros. Listen, if this is your first time joining me, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you are notified each and every time I go live. And as a matter of fact, just click on the bell. That way you'll also get that ring when I go live. All right. In the meantime, make sure you follow me on all social media outlets. I'm on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram as Cozette M. White. And when you subscribe here, you will automatically stay with me and get all of my lives or my uploads. Okay. I can't wait till the next video. You guys going out there, have yourselves an awesome and amazing day. And please take advantage of some of the additional services that are available so that you can grow, leverage, and scale. All right. Bye.